What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we shall be doing some Assassin's Creed videos again. So let's do Lykon Wolf as a follow up to the Lykon Lion I did earlier. So without any further ado, hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get this one started. Take that! Take this! And that! Ooh, dog. Take that as well, stupid wolf. I can't wait to kill you. Then I want to kill the last mythical creature. Die, 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 die. Take this. You want a piece of meat? Oh, I'll give you a piece of meat. Come on, wolf. Come and get me if you can. You haven't hit me yet, wolf. Can't kill wolf. Took a little bit of health out of me. But I killed you! Haha! Loser wolf! Loser wolf! Wolves suck anyway in Assassin's Creed. They're so annoying. Right, now let's go and meet the oh, she's not there. She's not here. Oh, I know where I need to go. Which isn't here. Let me go to Chios. Chios, and I'll meet Daphne there. Then I'll shut my mouth so you guys can hear the conversation. So, without any further ado, let's get before we need to complete Daphne Oh, first of all, kill these amazing wolves so I can hunt them, so I can get out of this place, and then get teleport. Die, you stupid dumb wolves! They're so annoying, aren't they, guys? Oh yeah, did you see how quick I killed big wolves? Quite quick compared to how it normally goes. It took me 4 minutes to kill Lykon Lion. Well, 4 and a bit minutes, including the introduction and the conclusion. Ugh. Let's blow this joint. There we go. Try not to waste any time because my Xbox videos can only go up to 10 minutes, sadly. Which is why I'm going to start using my Kinect soon. Oh yeah, guys, did you hear it? I'm getting a gimbal soon for my YouTube channel, so I can start doing better vlogs. Right, now we're at Chios. Oh, damn it, that was an accident. So, let's get to Daphne as soon as possible. And then, we can start the conversation. And then, for the rest of the video, until the end of it, and then
Let's go.
I shall show you all of my new gear that I get after completing this mission. So, without any further ado, let's get her! Nay! Oh, hold on a second. Oh. Well, put my bones, you know. mind me, just trying to get to his Daughters of Artemis. Because I've been told to speak to one of them.
Ella.
Time to get to you, Daughters of Artemis. So many quests completed you, and I'm going to do it all in one quest. How amazing am I? Oh, and a line is right on site. Hello, Daphne. Hope you're doing okay.
I
Now
see
let me
you've
talk
brought
to
me
you,
gifts.
please.
That should be all the pelts.
Yes. But your trial is not yet over.
What do you mean?
You have proven yourself a mighty hunter in the eyes of Artemis, but there is one creature you have yet to defeat. This animal is no simple prey. Meet me and my sisters on the cliff overlooking our village for your final test.
Wait! Why the secrecy?
Because it's more fun this way.
There we go, the combination's finished now. So now I can talk again. Oh, this is taking a minute to load up. I tell you. Oh my god, that's a lot of drachmine. I can't even count all of that. Pandora's Copus. Oh yeah, you guys will see this on me in a minute. Oh yeah, guys, soon I will be restarting the game to play as, what is it called? Alexios. Right, come on, Artemis armor. I need to find you. There you go, Artemis. Oh, wrong piece of armor, guys. Little did I know, I actually looked at it the entire time. There we go! Last 2 pieces of armor, guys. And then I can wrap this video up. And then after this video, I'm having my dinner. Having some jerk chicken salad. One of mine and my dad's favourite meals, that is. Oh, it's raining outside my window. This.